YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. So in my today's video, I am going to do a makeup tutorial or a makeup video based on Malvika's post on Instagram, and I will be recreating the same look. And if you guys want to check out how I did create the look and all the products which I've used are my personal favorites, so I have created Malvika's look. So if you guys want to check out how I did create Malvika's look, and all the products which I have used are super affordable. Like, these are proper drugstore products which I believe that everyone has in their home, and I think that anybody can. These are like proper drugstore products, like within 100 rupees ka budget. And so without any further ado, let's begin with today's video.
So first of all guys, I will be using lactocalamine. Now it is always good for my skin. I don't know how many of you guys will relate with me, but lactocalamine has been in my since forever. So this video is very special. Now I just wanted it to be very raw, very chatty, and kind of that thing, you know, doing makeup while chatting. So I am next using my Lakme foundation, and I just blend it off because I have open pores. So please comment down below if you guys have any kind of suggestions or any kind of treatments or remedy or any home remedies where I can treat down my open pores. So next I will be using my Sasta talcum powder, as one of my friends commented in my previous video. So this is only for rupees 100. So this is only for rupees 10 guys, and I have just taken another sponge and I'll just blend it off on my face. Now I'm just not like thopifying it on my face, I'm just blending it down properly. And next I'll just brush off the excess with my fan brush or the blush brush, which I have like one. So next I will be doing my eyebrows. Now I have this brush set. If you guys haven't watched already, I'll just link it somewhere on the screen, so you guys can definitely go and check it out. So next I will be doing my eyebrows. Now I will be taking a black shade, a very black matte shade from this Swiss Beauty palette, and I'll just be gently applying it on my eyebrows. Now I think that eyebrows these days are very important. Now I don't know why I'm just always obsessed with BTS. I'm just like, please guys comment down below if you guys also belong to the same field. I'll be like really happy कि अगर बहुत जन मेरे group में शामिल हो जाए. So BTS has always been my favorite. Now the recent song which came out is Dynamite. मतलब वो मैं हर टाइम पे सुनती रहती हूँ. मतलब यहाँ पे भी वो चल रहा था पीछे, but I didn't include it in the video because of copyright issues. So I'll be just brushing off the excess with this brush which I got from Miniso. I'll link I'll rather link it somewhere on the screen, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check it out. Now eyebrows is very important. I think that it just shapes up your face, it just amplifies your makeup. Now मेकअप एक ऐसा चीज़ है कि जहाँ पे आप लोग एक्सेसिव भी जा सकते हो, जहाँ पे मिनिमल भी कर सकते हो. नाउ मिनिमल इज़ दिस वन वेयर आई एम ट्राइंग टू पुल ऑफ Malvika's look. Now I know that probably I'll be nowhere closer to her look. Her looks are always very dewy, kind of so pastel shades, and so gorgeous, like so eye soothing, if I have to say. So this is a contest which she's running on. I think that the contest is like closed by this time and the winner is announced. I am not the winner guys, so please don't ask me. So this is just a fun look which I wanted to create, and like in the process of doing the contest, I'm just enjoying my video process as well. So next I will be choosing the very light shade from this Wet n Wild palette. I'll be just applying it on my eyes because I need to have a good base where it just lightens up, and whenever I apply any sort of color, it will just highlight or show, because my eyes are quite, it especially goes for the people who have like dark circles, so it just specially for them. So I'll just quickly blend in my eyeshadow, the light shade on both of my eyes, and then I'll take. So since today I am doing her makeup look, so her makeup look is always very peachy, kind of very blossomy kind of effect. So I'll be just using very light shades. So I'll use this one. first as the base. Now, what I was telling you guys about Malvika, now the winner is already announced, and I'm pretty sure that she did choose the right person, because I'm not like that much into it. Like, at currently I am just evolving, I'm just doing things, and I'm loving it. It turns out that I am actually enjoying the whole process, so I am actually evolving at this moment. So I think that you guys will also understand. If you guys will watch my videos previously, you guys will definitely understand of how I have evolved with the whole space, or with the whole atmosphere. So I'm just enjoying it, guys. So guys, as I was saying, so I'm just hosting a giveaway for my October month. Now, October month I have my birthday, so I was planning on doing it in the month of September, but then I thought that October would be really special, and since it's my birthday month, so I wanted to incorporate a giveaway. So probably after this video, or probably after one more video, my giveaway video will be up on my channel. So I would really encourage all of you guys to participate in it. I have kept the rules very, very simple, so you don't have to like do hodgepodge things and go there and do this and all of that. So it's pretty simple. Now, since it's my first giveaway, and since I don't earn anything from YouTube, so it will be my own money which I'll be like investing it, or my own things which I'll be investing it for the shipping and everything. So please don't think, or please don't judge me for this part. So it's just that I want to give back for all the love and support you guys have been doing so far, and it will obviously have a rule, a certain limit, and that I will announce on my giveaway video only. So I just wanted to say it out here that I will be incorporating more giveaways in the month of November, in the month of December, and as well in the month of January. So everything of it I have planned accordingly, but all of these things depends on how you guys take it, on like how much amount of participation I will be receiving. So it all depends on that. So please stay tuned for like such amazing things coming up on my channel. So here I'm just doing my makeup with like slightly under eye with the eyeshadow palette, and it's just that So next I will be using my forever favorite Nivea lip balm. So lip balms are very, very important, guys. You just can't go with the lip balms. So next I am doing my eyeliner and everything, because eyeliner is something which is really, really simple. So like I didn't include it on camera. Next, I was just checking down on the picture of Malvika. So next I will be using the mascara from Maybelline Hyper Curl. So all the products which I have used, I will definitely mention in the description box down below. So please don't worry on that part. And so as I was saying, guys, it all depends on the amount of participations, or on the amount of reciprocate things which I will receive. So if at all like I am doing a giveaway on my channel, I would expect that people to participate, people to like find it very interesting enough. So that is what I'm looking forward to. And if everything goes on well, I am doing like future giveaways in the month of November, December, and in the month of January. So it is in your hands, guys. So please take in your control, and it is just on your hands on whether you want future giveaways to happen or not. So please stick down to me. If you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please be a subscriber, because then I think that you guys will be the first one to get to know or get hold of the future videos. So please, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I think that my eye makeup is almost done. So next probably I will be using my blush. So I will mention, this is a not very a pricey blush palette. I will mention the link in the description box down below. So since I am not a very professional makeup artist, but my channel, if you guys will be seeing from the beginning, my channel is only about like affordable drugstore and the products which are pocket friendly, I must say, not too overpriced and not too very burns a hole in your pocket, guys. So I'll be just quickly blending in the blush on both of my cheekbones area, and blending is very important, and this brush is actually working on fine for the blending part, because I thought that for the price point it wouldn't be doing much. Just for the size point, I think it's small. So I'm just doing this for the sake of contouring, because I am not very professional person, so contouring is not my thing and I haven't tried it already. So please guys, comment down below if you guys have any suggestions for me of like contouring and anything. If you guys want to suggest me out for, I'll just look forward to the comment section down below, because I love reading your comments, guys. It just motivates me. It's so fascinating of how I am communicating with you guys, and you guys are also commenting. So it's just really fascinating, guys. Trust me on this part. So my makeup is almost done. Next I will be using two lipsticks. Yes, I will be using two lipsticks of Ellatine. One is in the shade called Mauve Date and the other is Nude Fix. So I will be mentioning the links in the description box down below, so please don't worry on that part. Why I will be mixing two lipsticks is because I think that mixing, or again blending, is a very important process. So blending your lipsticks with one or the other, it kind of gives you a very different look, a very different color altogether. You will be surprised with the result, I have to say. Even I was also surprised with the result, because Malvika's lipstick shade, I don't have that particular shade in my like vanity yet, but when I mixed these two shades, it was amazing, guys. It was really amazing. And for all of you guys, I will be like giving a picture, snapshot of her makeup look, so you guys will know of how much I could match up with her. Please comment down below as to how much did I match up with her makeup look. So in that process, I will also be able to know you guys' view of like how much did I achieve, or how much did I like succeed in achieving that particular makeup look. So this is my final look. Please comment down below, guys.
Video, guys. I do really hope that you guys had enjoyed this video, and this video I had made super raw. Like I've been sipping on my coffee, I was super chatty, I was in a very good mood, and I had used the products which are super affordable, guys. All the products links will be mentioned in the description box down below, so please don't forget to check it out, and also stay tuned for more such videos. So stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.